Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to present about my portfolio for all of my projects from when I was in 10th grade. So firstly, before I do that, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Muliat Harosan Syadida. I am a student of SMK Aiden Boarding School Jonggol, and I am the first child of three brothers. And I was born in Jakarta, 29 March 2009. I continued my education from SMP Aiden Boarding School to SMK, and I continue my education in Aiden because I want to learn more about IT, because when I was in SMP I learned a lot, so I hope when I was SMK and I could learn a lot, and I learned a lot. So next is my skills. From what I learned from IDN is CSS, a coding program for a coding language for making a website, to make the website look more prettier, and HTML to make the skeletal foundation of the website, and RPL, a library for database to help people easily make a database, and Figma for making a UI and UX of a certain website or an application, and it could be also used for Canva for making posters. And then there is JavaScript, which I learned not that much, but I quite know about JavaScript, and PHP, a database language that connects to the next one, which is MySQL. And the next is Flutter, that I learned in 11th grade. So first is my website project from when I was 10th grade, which is e-commerce website. This is the first project I made, and this project is about a company profile, about a course on a lesson about IT. And this website consists lessons that you can learn from the website, like learning how to code and learning how to make a website. And next is a e-library website. This website is a library, is like a digital library. This website have two main roles, which is a customer or the viewer and the admin. The admin can add new books or add more published books, and as the viewer you could borrow the books or you could buy the books. And next is the payroll website. This website is about how, if you get salary, you could see the salary for every people or every co-workers you know. So if you are the boss, you will have the role of an admin, and as the boss you could give people their pay, like a certain amount, like $10,000 or anything, and as the viewer or the co-worker could see their attendance, and also could know about their salary. And the next is the final project when I was 10th grade, which is an invoice. This is an invoice that I made with Danish, Ama, and Holil. In this invoice project is similar to the other one, but the difference is it shows a invoice and it have two main roles, which is the admin role and the viewer role. And then the next is all of my English projects from nurse 10th grade. I have first an IT tutorial about making a website and how to use Tailwind. And next is a short movie of me and my friends about the light about a bad student who pretends to do taubah and don't do any more bad things. And the next is English project is product review. Is I review a certain product I usually use, and for this product review I use my most used thing, which is Harosan. And this is the last English project is Pecah Kuca, which is about me, about the dream like country I want to go, which is Canada. And this is the practical examination about a vlog of IDN, and I tell the viewers about the places around IDN. And this is Dinia. This like about mind mapping of Vicky. And this is Akidah poster about the hukum of al-wala wal-bara. And the next is adab poster. This is about attitude when riding motorcycle. And this is storytelling about Sirah of the Prophet. And this is the tajwid of Al-Manhaj. And I also have make a book about website. I make two books about website. First is website making using HTML and CSS, and it's for beginners who want to learn more about this website making. And and this is all of my projects for the 10th grade of the first semester. And this is the 11th grade project I made, which is the first is Health Hub. This firstly was made with me and my friends, but I wanted to develop more about this application. And the next is a news website that I made using Flutter, and it is an application to see about news, and it uses an API that can see news from around Indonesia. And I also have a portfolio website that I haven't finished, but I am willing to finish the portfolio website. And I also have certificates in my LinkedIn. Which is around 2 certificates, which first is skillful certificates about which I haven't joined, so I have around 2 certificates, which is the first certificate is a certificate for CSS and HTML or website basics, and the second certificate is about AI learning or machine learning. And I also made an e-report website that I forgot to mention. This is about if you have any disturbance or anything, you could report it to the admin, so you can make a complaint about the disturbance. And I think maybe that's all for my portfolio. I'm sorry if I have many mistakes. As I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.